Hello. Hello. Hi. Good morning. Welcome to Joji classes. Today, let us start one problem. Okay. Let us solve one problem on trading and profit and loss account and balance sheet. Till now, we have solved problems separately. One problem on trading account, one problem on profit and loss account, one problem on balance sheet. Now, here, one problem we will be solving with trading account, profit and loss account, and balance sheet without adjustments. Okay, keep in your mind it is without adjustments. Okay, so now let's start the question. First, check the question. In that, adjustments are there. Please ignore the adjustments. Just watch only closing stock. Other than that, nothing is required. Okay, first check the question. Yeah, you have checked the question, right? Let us solve this question. What is the data given to you? Check it out and then we will solve the question. First, we start with 2 and the trading account. All of you knows the format, right? Trading and profit and loss account, particulars amount, again particulars amount. Okay. So now first we start with 2 opening stock. What is the amount of opening stock given in the question? It is 13,200, right? 13,200. Next, after opening stock, you have to check what is the sales. Sorry, purchases. Two purchases. What is the amount of purchases? Amount of purchases is 40,000. Next, any returns are there? If you have any returns, let us subtract. I don't think so. You can find any returns. Directly, we can move on to the sales. Write down credit side by sales. What is the amount? Sales is 60,000. Sales is 60,000. And then after that, any other expenses do you have? Direct expenses, wages is there. So write down 2 wages. 2 wages. What is the amount? 1,000. It is 1,000. And then any other expenses? I don't think so. We can find some other expenses. That's it we have. Then credit side, write down by closing stock. By closing stock, what is the amount of closing stock? 10,300. These are the details we have. Now let's find out what is the total. What is the total? 60,000 plus 10,300, 70,300 is the total. Same here also. 70,300. Now debit side is more or credit side more? We have credit side more. So what you got? 2 gross profit. What is the amount of gross profit? Now do the total of debit side and subtract from the credit side. What is the total of debit? 40,000 plus 13,200 plus 1,000. It is 54,200 minus 70,300. How much you will get? It is 16,100. Now the total gross profit is 16,100. Now bring that gross profit to credit side to start the profit and loss account by gross profit. What is the amount? 16,100. Okay. So now let's move on to the profit and loss account. What are the indirect expenses do we have? Let us check it out. Mostly we will be starting with salaries. Check it out whether salaries are there or not there. If it is there, what is the amount? I could find salary. It is 500. Salary is 500. Now let's check anything else we have. Drawings will not come, opening stock won't come, purchases over, debtors, creditors will not come. Bad debts are there. 2 bad debts. Bad debts, how much? 300. Bad debts is 300. Then after bad debts, printing and stationery. To printing and stationery. Let's make it comma. So printing and stationery, what is the amount? It is 1200. Okay. After that, wages already done. To postage is there. How much? 800. To postage 800. Next, bills receivable won't come, furniture won't come, cash, bank overdraft, machinery, commission received. Commission received in the sense it is a revenue for you, indirect income by commission. You need not to mention here again received also. If credit side you are writing the amount, that means it is received only 1500. Next, advertisement. Advertisement is an expense. So write down to advertisement. What is the amount? Advertisement is 3000. Now let's see the total. I think these are the only transactions we have. Let's check the total. How much you will get? 16,100 plus 1,500. The total is 17,600. Total is 17,600. Here also same thing, 17,600. Now let's see the total of debit side. 500 plus 300 plus 1,200 plus 800 plus 3,000. How much? 5,800 minus 17,600. You got 11,800 as profit. 11,800 as profit. So write down to net profit. That is the balancing figure. It will be carry forwarded to or transferred to the balance sheet. Okay. Here is the net profit. Just have a glance once. Check it out fully. Then we can prepare balance sheet. Okay. Opening stock, purchases, wages, whatever direct expenses, direct transactions were there, those will be shown in trading account. Indirect expenses, indirect revenue will be shown in profit and loss account. Clear? Now let's prepare balance sheet. Let us start the balance sheet. Balance sheet as on 31/3/2018, liabilities amount and assets amount. Let's start with the liabilities. First, we will be starting with the capital. What is the amount of capital given in the question? What is the amount of capital given in the question? Capital is 30,000. To that, add net profit. Add net profit. I don't have place here. I'm calling it as just direct profit. It is net profit. Okay, treat it as net profit. How much? 11,800. Now do the total. How much you will get? When you add it, 30,000 plus 11,800, it will be 41,800. Next, from this you have to subtract drawings. Less drawings. What is the amount of drawings given in the question? It is drawings is 5,000. 41,800 minus 5,000. How much you will get? It will be 36,800. The balancing figure is 36,800. Let me bring this to a single page. Yes. Now everything has come to a single page. Okay, fine. Now check this. First, capital, add net profit. When you added net profit, it is 41,800 minus drawings. When you subtract, you are getting 36,800. Clear? Now, what are the other transactions we have? We started with capital. Let us check with the fixed assets. What are the fixed assets do we have? As in order also we can go, no issues. Fixed assets, furniture is there. What is the amount of furniture? 7,500. 7,500. Next, after furniture, I don't think so. You are having any other machinery is there. Machinery is there. How much? 18,000. Machinery is 18,000. After machinery, now come back. Drawings and capital done. Opening stock done. Purchase and sales done. Debtors and creditors. So let's take down what is the amount of debtors. Debtors is 10,000. Creditors is a liability. So write down liability side. Amount of creditors is 8,500. Creditors is 8,500. Salary done, bad debts done, printing and stationery done, wages, postage, bills receivable and bills payable. So bills payable 3,000. First let me finish it up that one. Bills payable 3,000. Bills receivable also 3,000. Bills receivables also 3,000. Next, what are the other transactions we have? Furniture already taken. Cash in hand 1,500. So write down cash in hand. Cash in hand 1,500. Next, bank overdraft 2,000. Bank overdraft treated as liability. Bank OD. Already we discussed about bank overdraft in the bank reconciliation statement. Do you remember that? The same thing, only this one 2,000. And then next, after cash in hand, what we have? Machinery already you have taken. Commission received already we have taken. Advertisement also done. Now next, closing stock is the last one. Closing stock. What is the amount of closing stock? It is 10,300. These are the transactions we have. Let us do the total and check it out whether it is tallied or not. If it is not tallied, again it will be a tension for us. 7,500 plus 18,000 plus 10,000 plus 3,000 plus 1,500 plus 10,300. It is 50,300 I got asset side. Let us check the liability side. Is it same or not? 50,300. Let me check the liability side. What are the transactions we have? 36,800 plus 8,500 plus 3,000 plus 2,000. It is 50,300. This one is tallied. So this is how you prepare the trading and profit and loss account and balance sheet. So hope all of you understood this one, right? Please have a look on this. First check the question and cross verify what are the transactions will be coming in the trading account and what are the transactions you can find in the profit and loss account. According to that, if you mark it, it will be very easy for you to complete. Check the full question once again. The question what you are seeing in the question, you please leave out the other adjustments because this is the first question. I am giving you the question without adjustments. Solve the question without adjustments. With adjustments, I am sure it will take exactly 1 hour, I guess so. Okay, so first I will explain how to treat the adjustments, and then one more video I will show you with adjustments how to solve the problem. Okay, trading and profit and loss account, please take the screenshot of this if you are done. Now check the balance sheet. Please take the screenshot of this. All of you are done, right? Hope you understood. If you are having any doubt, please mention in the comment section. Okay. And if you like this video, please like it, share it, and subscribe it. Thank you. Bye bye.